I'm going to show you how to make raw vegan sushi without cooked rice. Instead you use cauliflower and cashew nuts. Grate the cauliflower with a grater, or if you have a kitchen machine, then that goes a little bit faster. Of course you need a grater in the kitchen machine. And then for the cashews, you can make them fine in a coffee grinder. Just a small coffee grinder will do. And then mix the two together, the cashews and the cauliflower, and add some vinegar. I like to use umisu, which is a macrobiotic vinegar made of salt plums. You can also use a rice vinegar. And then mix it together. Now use vegetables like carrot, cucumber, zucchini, bell pepper, green asparagus, and marinate them overnight or few hours in tamari, lemon juice, ginger, olive oil and garlic, and mix them. Now we're going to make the wasabi sauce using 1 avocado, a little bit of water, about a teaspoon, some lemon juice and salt and pepper. And then mix it all with a fork into a nice paste. Now take the nori sheet with the shiny side down and first put some cauliflower and cashew mixture instead of the rice. Leave some space below and some space on the upper side. Now decorate with some vegetables. Use some different ones: zucchini, carrots, some shiitake mushrooms, maybe also some salad, some alfalfa. Now first we're going to make the roll without sushi mat. Just take the lower part of the nori roll, take it around the rice and vegetables and gently push it together. And then wet the upper part with some water and then finish the roll. And then cut it with a really sharp knife. This is very important. Now when you have a sushi mat, this will make the sushi roll a little bit more tight. Again, take a nori sheet with the shiny side down, place the cauliflower and cashew rice, leave some space above and below, then put some mushrooms, some salad, some vegetables, some alfalfa. Add whatever you like to make it nice and tasty. And don't make it too big, otherwise it will be hard to roll the sushi. Now take the mat one time around the whole thing, so around the whole vegetables and rice, and push it a little bit towards you. So you tighten the nori roll, then wet the upper piece with water. Release the mat, roll it with your hands together, place the roll downwards again, and then place the mat around it again. And really try to roll it very tightly. You can also leave it like this for a little while, so the sushi can become more tight. And then it is ready. And again, cut it with a sharp knife. And ready is your delicious sushi. It is very easy to do once you get the hang of it. Enjoy! Namaste.